welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another coding challenge. The challenge for today's video is given an array of integers from 1 to n inclusive, return an array of all the missing integers between 1 and n, where n is the largest number in the given array. The conditions for this challenge are the given array may be unsorted and may contain duplicates. The returned array should be in ascending order. If no integers are missing, return an empty array. These are the conditions for this challenge. Now, once we are done with providing solution and run the test, all test cases should pass. Okay, let's get into the solution. First thing is check for the condition, that is check whether given array is empty or not. If the given array is empty, simply return an empty array. Okay, for that, if array dot length equals to 0, that means array is empty, simply return empty array. Okay, now convert the input array. If input array is not empty, we should convert the input array into a set for fast lookups. Okay, let's do that. For that, take set variable new set and then pass the given array. Now we converted given array into a set for fast lookups. The next thing is find the maximum value in the array. To know the range, we need to check. Okay, now for that, const max equal to, we use simply math.max and then use spread operator. Okay, this gives the max element or the max value of given array. So now the thing is, we should find the missing values, if any. For that, first let's initialize an array. Okay, initialize an array to collect missing numbers. Now it's an empty array to collect missing numbers, if any. And then the next thing what we have to do is, let's use for loop. Let's use for loop to check. Okay, to check if any missing numbers. For that, we should initialize the variable from 1 to, okay, from 1 to less than or equal to max I plus plus. We should simply loop through from 1 to max and then check for condition, that is if the number is not in the set. If the number is not in the set, it's missing. Okay, for that the condition is if negation set dot has I. If this condition is true, that means that the number I is missing. Okay, then we simply push that to missing array. Okay, with this for loop, if at all any missing numbers are there between 1 to n, we will catch and then push them to missing array. Now at the end of the for loop, we should simply return missing array. Okay, now we are done with the solution for this challenge. So here we simply checking for the condition, first condition, that is whether array is empty or not. If it is empty, we simply return empty array. And then we converted the given array into a set for fast lookups. After that, we found max from the given array, max value from the given array. And then we used for loop to check if at all any missing numbers are there in the given array. And then we finally return the missing array, which contains if at all any numbers are missing or else empty array. Okay. Now let's run the test cases and then see. Okay, we successfully completed this challenge because all 7 or 6 test cases passed without any issue. Okay, this solution is working as expected. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe for more technical videos. Thanks for watching.